This is OG Fortnite factories. From what I've seen on my short scroll through YouTube, no one's built it in LEGO, so I'm gonna be the first. Alright, everything's gonna be built to this scale. It's just a normal 2x2 brick with a plate on top. And using that system, here we go, we have everything. We have fences, windows, doorways, trees, cars, trucks, shipment containers, and streetlights. We also have bushes and rocks. These will go into the ground, so we will have no trouble, and we'll only just see these bits right here. So it'll look really nice. We follow this to a T, and we should be good. And we'll get to see the final thing in all of its glory. Alright, to start this build, we need a base, and it's going to be 26 bricks by 36 bricks. It should look like this. It's very simple. And we just build everything on top. Alright, so we have the base done, and we have all the walls up and the gates and everything with these unique designs. So all we need to do now is build the grass and all the decorations and buildings. Alright, so we finished the grass, and it's all coming together. It looks great so far. Most of these studs are just for like grass and other stuff like that. And some of these studs are actually important that hold stuff like shipping containers and just trees like this stud here. Anyway, now we gotta work on the buildings, and then we can work on the main decorations. Alright, we have the first building done, and it looks really good with the garage and the doorways and the windows. I mean, couldn't get this one in, but take what you can. The next building should be really easy. Same one that goes near Loot Lake, so we can reuse that later. So let's get started. Alright, these two buildings fit in nicely together, and I think adding the third one will make it look even better. So let's get it started. Alright, I'm super happy how all these buildings turned out, and they look really, really good together. But the one thing we're missing is the electrical object here, and just all the decorations, because it kind of looks plain right now, but we can fix that. And the build is done. Doesn't it look great? Looks all colorful with all the shipment containers and everything built in. It just looks amazing. All right, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I have a list of what I'm doing. I think I gotta create it still, and then, but I should be posting every week along with 3 shorts a week. So this won't be the last build. So like and subscribe so you can follow the journey. This month looks pretty good for builds. I mean, I got factories, which that's this video. And you got Motel, Tomato Town, and then Pleasant Park. So the end of August should be pretty good. And then for September, what I have planned is Disco, Dusty Divot, Salty Springs, and then Risky Reels. So it should be pretty entertaining. So stick along.